Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to create goal with destination page in Google Analytics. A destination page can be a thank you page, success page, user registration success page, or any page where user land after completing a goal like making purchase or submitting form or doing registration in website. In this method, all the things are set in Google Analytics. You will not need to install Google Tag Manager, but you will have to send user on a specific page when they complete a goal. For example, if you are going to set goal for e-commerce website, your site must have this feature. After completing purchase, they redirect on a specific page. You can name that page, thank you page or success page or whatever you wish. And same for form submission goal and user registration goal. You will have to redirect user on a specific page when they complete form submission or create registration. Let's see how to do it. Go to admin, goals, new goal. I am naming it form submission. Here select destination, continue. I am going to create goal for this website. After submitting this form, user will land on this page, thanks.html. I am copying this and pasting it here. Here you can see there are three options: equals to, begin with, regular expression. Here I have selected equals to. Save it. Now goal is created. Now we will test it real time that goal is working or not. Go to real time conversion. I am submitting this form. Here you can see user landed on this page and goal is working. Same for e-commerce website and users registration. You can create goal with destination page which will work. So in this way you can create goal in Google Analytics without Google Tag Manager. Thanks for watching.